Hello girls, this is Nikita Jain. So today I am here to review a foundation from the company Lakme. Lakme is like a trusted company and a very old company which is still so famous and living up to the expectations. So this is a really cheap foundation from their range. They have really different kind of foundations from cheap to high. So this one is really cheap. This is just rupees 100. So this is the Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation, as you can see, and the shade I am in is Natural Pearl for fair skin. Hope you can see. And so this foundation have many shades, and the so we'll show you the details written behind the bottle. So it claims that perfect liquid foundation blends easily into your skin to create soft glowing feature, feather like finish, oil free with vitamin E, water resistant. So this is all what it claims. It is oil free. Yes, it is, but if you have a oily skin, then it will really create sticky feeling on your skin after a while. It is not a matte finish kind of a foundation. It says it's oil free, but it will be good for dry skin or a combination skin. For very oily skin or oily skin person, I think you guys should skip this. And yes, it says it contains vitamin E, so it's really good. Water resistant I wouldn't comment on this water resistant. I don't think it is water resistant. Of course, since it's really cheap, I don't expect it to be resistant, but I don't think so it is. So next is shake well before use. So now I will shake and show you the consistency of this foundation. I will show you the consistency. It's really liquidy. You can see it's really thick and liquidy. Just take some and show you the swatch. So now you can see I have blended it. It have a very light coverage. It feels soft. It do not feel sticky or something on the skin. It have low to medium coverage. It do not have high coverage. It is good for the office going people or the college girls. You can use it daily because it is not so heavy or you need any brush or sponge to use it. You can apply it with your fingers. It is really nice. It blends really well on the skin. So that's all. It's about the Lakme Perfect Liquid Foundation. I would give it 4 out of 5. It's really nice, but I would have referred a pump and not the bottle thing. Or in the next it have one more foundation range of rupees 200 which have a spatula kind of thing. I would have preferred that too, but not this bottle thing. So yeah, that's it. That's all. Thank you girls for watching the review. So please do subscribe and like. Love you.